I have been battling with the focus on my camera for so long and I'm over it. So if I keep going out of focus, please try to ignore it, okay? Mwah, love you. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be 50 crochet ideas that you can make beginner friendly for spring. So I made a video similar to this already on my channel. That's 50 crochet ideas for beginners. You guys seem to really like it, so I'm actually going to be making this a kind of series like on my channel. I'm going to be making a spring one, a summer one, fall, winter, all that stuff. I do have some more specific type of crochet ideas. If you're into sustainable living, I will be making a crochet idea video for that. Before we get started, I did want to say thank you guys for the 1,000 subscribers. We hit that mark after that video, and I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and watching my content. Free tutorials and free patterns will be linked for everything that I say in this video in order that I say it down in the description box. If you're looking for a list of basically everything that I'm saying, or pictures, all these pictures I'm showing, they are all going to be on a Pinterest board linked down in the description board, so you can save it to your Pinterest if that's something you want to do. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. So for this spring crochet idea video, we do have a couple categories. I separated everything into categories. We have 8 categories. So I'll go ahead and list the categories out for you now. And if you're looking for a specific category, I will have them marked down below and you can just click through them. You don't have to watch the whole video if you don't want to. So we're going to go ahead and go through. So Easter/holiday, blankets, accessories, clothing, hats and hair accessories, decor, bags, and then everything else that doesn't fit into any of those categories that I kind of just threw in the last category. So let's go ahead and get right into it. For the Easter/holiday crochet ideas for beginners, I have this really cute 4-leaf clover. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's like really cute little 4-leaf clover. The shapes are simple. If you're beginner to like a little past beginner where you've had to have a couple projects under your belt, I definitely recommend this little Lucky Charms 4-leaf clover thing. And then moving into kind of more, that's for St. Patrick's Day, obviously, but moving into more like Easter-like things, there's these really cute bunny stuffed animals that are actually, they look a little complicated, but they're very simple. And if you're looking to kind of get into making stuffed animals, then I definitely recommend bunnies because they're very simple. Then there's also these like marshmallow peeps, you know, those little candies that you get in Easter. You could actually make them crochet style, and those are very simple, and it'll help you with increasing and decreasing your stitches. There's also these really cute little decorative Easter eggs if you're one of those people who love to have kind of cute decor in your house per the season. These are really cute and a perfect gift for moms. On to the next category, we have blankets. These ones are obviously going to be more time suckers than the other projects that I'm going to recommend, but I have 2 blankets for you. I have this blanket, which is kind of like a big square. It's mostly the granny square stitch, which is super easy to learn. So if you're a very, 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 very beginner, I would definitely do this one. If you're looking for a little bit more of an advanced one, I think those granny square blankets are perfect for picnics, which is perfect for spring. And another blanket that I think is these like daisy blankets. Oh, they're so cute, are so adorable, can also be used for picnics, are also really good like baby shower gifts if anybody's having a baby in spring. These are super cute, so definitely keep that in mind if you get invited to a baby shower in spring. These are a good gift, and they work up pretty quickly, and because they're granny squares, they're a pretty easy build. So the next category we have is accessories, which is my favorite category specifically. I love these netted fingerless gloves because they have a lot of pockets for air to kind of flow through, because with spring you do have a couple hot days, but the wind and the cool air can allow you to wear these fingerless gloves because they're so open and they're not very thick, if that's understandable. There's also these water bottle holders. These are super cute, especially if you like to go on walks. Now that it's kind of getting into warmer weather, there's more walking happening. I definitely recommend that. And these like netted phone holders. I love these, especially for going to like farmers markets or fairs where you kind of only really want to have like your wallet and your phone on you. Definitely super cute. And then I also recommend these lighter covers if you are among the group of people who use lighters frequently, or you know someone who is. These are super cute spring addition to the lighter covers that you kind of see everywhere. Then moving into the clothing category, we have these granny square dresses, which, because they're just little granny squares, are actually really easy to make. And I love that you can make them longer or you can make them shorter. Whatever you're comfortable with, it's on you. And it's super simple workup, honestly, for anybody who wants to get into dresses but they're still considered a beginner. I also recommend these like long, flowy, airy skirts. Those are a little more challenging if you are a beginner, but still totally doable. I also like this raglan style top. In the previous video I mentioned the 50 beginner friendly 50 crochet ideas. I recommend a sweater. It's the same tutorial for the sweater, but you basically just don't do the sleeves. It's super easy and it makes this like cute little top, and you can make it cropped or you can make it longer. It's up to you. I also like these longer like netted, I don't know if they're really considered cardigans, but they're like overcoats. I guess they're cardigans, but they're super cute and they're super airy and they're perfect for spring and like brunches where you want to wear a dress but you kind of want to put something over it but you don't want to get too hot. Those are perfect. Also, these like short granny square skirts, super easy for a beginner, super cute. And then I found this specific like flowery top. I will say, as a beginner, this was on the challenging side, but if you have a couple projects under your belt already, definitely consider trying this top. I think it's totally worth it. In the next category, we have hats and hair accessories. I love this category. Obviously, I'm gonna say it, bandanas. Super easy, super beginner friendly, super cute, especially if that's like your vibe. Spring is perfect for some bandanas. Now, I have a couple. I have these Hey Crochet bandanas. Super simple, super cute. Easiest is this kind of Hey Crochet bandana. Super simple stitching, pretty straightforward. If you want to one up that level, one level up from that, I recommend these granny square bandanas. The daisy ones are super cute, but you can really do it with any square. And then one step up from those bandanas, I recommend these dragonfly kind of bandanas. The stitching is a little more complicated, but you can definitely do it if you've done the first two that I mentioned. Definitely suggest those. Those are so cute. Another thing I love about spring is bucket hats, because you can stay out of the sun, but they don't make you overheated. In summer, you can kind of get really hot with the bucket hats, but in spring, it's just breezy enough to where you're all right with the bucket hat on. So this strawberry bucket hat, love it. Super cute, super easy. And if you want a little bit more of a difficult one, then I suggest this like kind of checkered looking bucket hat. This will really help you with changing your colors in and out if you're having trouble with that while also carrying your yarn. Definitely practice with that one. If you want more of a piece it together, I would suggest this granny square bucket hat. It's way more kind of make granny squares, stitch them together to make the bucket hat. If you don't really want a cohesive bucket hat project, definitely suggest that one. And then I have these two cute ones I found on Pinterest. This one, a baby is wearing it, but I'm pretty sure there's adult sizing for this specific kind of hat. But I love the flower idea of a bucket hat. It's so creative, so I definitely recommend that. And I love these little Easter bunny bonnets. They look a little complicated, but trust me, they're beginner friendly. Don't let anybody tell you can't make that, because that's cute and it's definitely beginner friendly. And I could have put this in the Easter category, but it's more of in the hat category. But I'm definitely going to be making one of these come springtime. On to our next category, I label as decor. Love a good house decor. So something about spring that I love is the wind, the vibe, the outdoor wind. The outdoor vibes are immaculate. So I actually have these two outdoor kind of decor for your porch or your backyard, whatever. But this little spinny twisty one that I'm showing you right here is perfect for when the wind blows. It basically spins. I'll try and find a video, but if I don't, this is the picture. Definitely Super easy to make, and they're super fun. And if you have kids, I think that would be really cute in your backyard. Also, these like circle hanging ones, super cute. Wind blows, they twist around. Super easy to make if you're looking for something to kind of put even in your bedroom, honestly. You don't even have to put them outside. Something I like for decor is these like little tulip. Are they tulips? I don't know. They're crocheted flowers, kind of for your car. Super cute, and they're super simple and very quick if you're looking for a quick workup. And then there's these like little also car charms that are kind of like little crocheted baskets of flowers. Super cute. Definitely recommend that for spring. And then more on the advanced level, beginners take a stab at it, but specifically for advanced, I'm loving these lampshades. People are finding wire like frames at thrift stores and then crocheting the lampshade, and they're so creative. You can do literally whatever you want with these. It's super cool. There's a lot of flexibility in your skill level to do this, so I love those. The next category we have are bags. Love me a good crocheted bag. So if you're looking for a crochet bag for spring, I suggest these flower and checkered shoulder bags. A little complicated, a little of a time sucker, but I definitely think that these are super cute for spring. And then I also love these daisy granny square bags. These are more on the beginner friendly side of bags that you can make for spring. I also like these kind of like white and blue diagonal granny square kind of vibe bag. Perfect for the beach if you're going to start going to the beach soon. Super big, super good for markets. I also like these little very simple shoulder bags. Like, I'm pretty sure all of this is a single crochet. So if you're looking for simple, these small shoulder bags are really good. If you want like a bigger, honestly anything with these granny squares, like this big granny square and then the little granny squares on the side, super easy to make. If you want to practice changing color and kind of coming up with a symbol on your bag to make this like little shoulder side bag, this little shoulder side bag, yes, I did just jump up to close that window. There's a kid dragging a sled on the concrete, which is very loud. Anyways, so these like peace sign shoulder bags, super good for color changing, super cute. I also love these granny square stitch 3 large squares making this bag. Super easy workup, especially if you don't like assembling a bunch of small granny squares. I recommend that. And these market bags, this is in my other video I mentioned, but still perfect for spring. That's the times of the farmers markets, ladies. Get yourself some 100% cotton yarn, go to ham. I have a perfect tutorial for that video. And then we have this like really cute checkered shoulder bag without the daisy decal on it. I love these. Again, they're a little more advanced but still beginner friendly. In my opinion, beginners still take a stab at that. And then we have this kind of longer bag with stripes. I just love the color scheme of this bag. It's definitely beginner friendly, but it just gives me very like spring Easter vibes. And now we're into our last category, which is everything else that didn't fit into any of the other categories that I was talking about. So we have these super cute tulip baskets. I love these. You can really use them for anything. Personally, I'm gonna make one of these to kind of hold my like stash yarn collection, but you can put jewelry in them, you could put keys in them, whatever. Super cute addition to your home or your bedroom. And also I love these tic-tac-toe sets because you're going to be outside a lot more, kind of with your picnic blanket I mentioned earlier. These tic-tac-toe sets are so cool, and you can throw them in the washer if they get dirty. For long car rides, picnics, taking your kid out of the house, whatever. Super cute. There's like this cute little strawberry one, and then this cute sunflower and leaf one. And then another fun thing for Mother's Day, because isn't Mother's Day in April? I think it is. So bouquets of flowers. These sunflower bouquets are super cute, especially for Mother's Day. And then we have like this potted tulips. Mwah. Beautiful. Love it. Even if it's just for your home and you don't necessarily want to give your mother one, that's fine too. And then we have these like bouquets of tulips. Tulips are the Mother's Day flower, okay? If you're gonna make your mom a gift, tulips. Another thing we kind of have is these pot holders. I love the tulip pot holders. Obviously, I can't get enough of tulips, but there's also these really cute like chicken pot holders. Like, I know that might be silly, but I love the chicken pot holders. They're super cute and they're super easy to make, especially if you have a mom who is, if you have a southern mom and she's obsessed with chickens, definitely give her a chicken pot holder, okay? I also, on the topic of bouquet flowers, these daisies are super easy to make, and I definitely recommend these as a bouquet for a beginner. And then we have these flower bookmarks. Honestly, any kind of bookmark is beginner friendly, but specifically for spring, I suggest these flower ones. So cute. I'm actually going to make one of these once I'm done finishing this video. And that concludes our video. That is your 50 crochet ideas, beginner friendly for the spring season. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I love this series. If there's a type of crochet idea video that you haven't seen on YouTube that you're kind of really searching for, comment it down below because I will make it for you. I will search the internet, gather it all together, put all the links together for you, and give it to you. So I know someone requested a sustainable living video. That is in the works. That will be the next video that goes up the week after this one. So if you definitely want to see the sustainable living one, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Turn on those post notifications. Like I said in the beginning of the video, everything that I listed is listed down below in order that I said it, with the corresponding link to a video or free written pattern so that you can make it too. If you want a cohesive Pinterest board for everything that I said in this video, I linked the board down below. Go ahead and save it to your Pinterest and follow me on Pinterest if you want to be up to date with all of the boards that I'm making specific to crocheting. Comment down below if you make any of these, or if you're planning on making any of these, or if you've made some of these and they are not beginner friendly. Comment that down below because there are some that I haven't touched yet, so they may be a little harder than I thought. So let me know in the comments. Thanks guys for watching. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.